Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can save the image with filters and frame. And this is part 6 of photo editor app and video maker app. So in the previous video, I will show you how you can create a tab bar. And if I will show this app, you will see in this video I will also show you how you can create these two buttons, and when user click on this camera button, the camera is open and you can take the image, and after that you will apply the filters and frame. And if you click on this gallery button, you will see this type of pictures, and when user click on some image, you will see a new page is open and you have this tab bar and this list view with frames. Okay, so in the previous video I will show you how you can create this a tab bar, and I don't create the tab bar here. I will show you in the previous video I create a list view here. Okay, so when user click on some frame, you will see the frame is applied on the background, and if you will click on some other background, you will see this background appears in the background, and here is a button for filters, and if you click on these filters, you will see we have some filters, and when you click on some filter, the filter is applied on the image. So in the previous video I will also show you how you can save this image without any filter and frame. I simply save the image which I select from the gallery. But in this video I will show you how you can save this image, this whole image with filter and also with frame. And also I will show you how you can create a camera button, and when user click on the camera, mobile camera is open and you can take the image, and after that the image appears here, and then you can create the filters and also you can create the frame. So now I click on this save button, and you will see I open the gallery, and you will see here is a folder picture, and you will see this picture saves with filter and with frame. So now let's move to the code and I will show you how you can do this. And if you watch my previous video, I save the image here, so here is the save icon, and when user click on this icon, you will see I save the image by using gallery saver. But you will see in this gallery saver I only save the image which user select from the gallery. So this file is coming from this page, and when user click some image from the gallery, I pass that image in this page image pic.dot, and then I pass that image and path to the gallery saver, and gallery saver simply saves the image which user selected from the gallery. Okay, but I want to save the image with filter and frames. So now let's remove this code, because this gallery saver only saves the image which is in the form of file. So I just highlight this code, and after that I use this controller, screenshot controller class, and I create an object here, because I first take a screenshot of whole the image, like when user takes some image from the gallery. So I take this image, and now this is whole container, and inside this container I provide all functionality for the background and for the filter. So when user clicks some filter and when user select some filter, you will see this whole process is applied on this container. So basically I use a screenshot class to take the screenshot of this whole container. So this screenshot controller takes a picture of this whole container, and after that I save that picture to the gallery. Okay, so I hope you understand the whole concept. So first I take the screenshot of this whole container. So now let's first take the screenshot of this whole container. Okay, so now you will see we have code for this whole process. So I just copy the code of this whole process and pass to the screenshot controller class. Okay, so you will see this is the container, and I write the whole code for this process here. So I simply copy this whole container and pass this container to the screenshot class, and then screenshot class simply takes the picture of this whole code, like of this whole image, and then I save to the gallery. So now let's copy this whole code, and you will see this whole code. I copy this whole code, and here you will see I create a function picture div, and I paste that whole code here, and you will see I paste that whole code. And okay, so now let's write this code here, and you will see screenshot controller, and cut this code from here, and I write this code inside this on press method. So now you will see I call this pick div function here. So now when user click on this icon, first this function is called, and you will see inside this function I write the whole code, and this function returns the image, and when that image appears here, it takes the screenshot. Okay, and then it saves that image inside this variable. And after that I use this image gallery saver, which saves that image to the gallery. And this image gallery saver, and you will see what is the type of this image is unit 8 list. And this image gallery saver is used to save the image of this type. Okay, and also you have to write the library for this image gallery saver, and you will see here is the library image gallery saver. Okay, you have to put this. And if you don't understand this code, you have to watch the previous video. But if you want to make some screenshot of some container, then you have to remove this whole code and you have to simply create a container. And if you want to give some height, give some width, and if you want to simply save some image.asset, and you have to put the name. And if I run this code, this container returns an image. Okay, so this image appears here, and then it takes the screenshot of image and store inside this image variable, and then this image gallery saver store that image to the gallery. Okay, so now let's run this code. So the app is restarted, and click on gallery. Now this time I did not pass this image, I passed the image from the assets. And when I click on this save button, you will see it takes a screenshot of this image and give the height 10 and width 10. So if you want to take some screenshot, you can use this. Okay, so now remove this and pass this return. And now let's save the code, and you will see the app is restarted. And now click the image, click the gallery, and take this image, apply some filters. I apply this filter, apply some filters, and you will see I apply this filter. And now click on this save and move to the gallery, and you will see the image is saved with frame, with filter and size. You will see we give height divided by 2. We give half of height of the screen, so that's why the image appears like this. Okay, so now move to the button code. Okay, so now you will see we have 2 buttons. In the previous video I create just 1 button, but in this video I create 2 buttons. So if you click on this camera, so click on OK, and you will see we take the image from camera and image appears here. And now you have to click on some filter click on some filter now, and now you have to save this image. Open the gallery and you will see we save the image. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and I hope this video will help you all. Inshallah, see you soon. And if you want to get the code of this video, you can check the description box, and please like, comment and subscribe. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.